Here's the jig that I made. It's pretty simple. It's just a board with slots cut about halfway through the board at 10mm increments. I start by cutting the outer slots in the strips, and those will be about 10mm from the edge of the strips. And now I've got all of my strips cut, at least the first cuts on the outsides, and now I have to move on to the inside cuts. With all of my inside cuts made following the picture that I showed earlier, it's just a matter of putting some glue on each of those joints and assembling the Shoji screen. In order to set the width for the half-lap joints on the top and bottom frame for the Shoji lamp, I'm going to use the Shoji screen itself to set the width, and this ensures that when I put it all together, that Shoji screen will be a nice tight fit because I probably won't use any glue to hold the screen in. And after cutting those half-lap joints with a dado stack, it's time to assemble them. At this point, I'm just going to cut off the tabs on the ends of the Shoji screen so that it's a little bit easier to work with. To set the height of the screen, again, I'm going to use the Shoji screen itself to set the distance between the joints. And after cutting those joints, it's time to go ahead and assemble the entire lamp. I did add a strip of wood underneath on the lower frame there, and that will allow me to add a lamp to this light when it's all done. There it is, all finished. I'm pretty happy with that. I am going to be selling this one on my Etsy store. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description below.